Good morning, fifth grade. I wanted to introduce something new this week. This week, you are invited to the fifth grade book club contest. It is for the week of April 20th through the 25th, and the winner will receive a brand new book of their choice that will be mailed directly to their home. Let's talk about the details. So, in this great reading challenge, it's our assignment for the week. I want to see you reading independently. Reading independently can increase your reading abilities like vocabulary, fluency, and so much more. When I was in fifth grade, I was able to read to self, and I found a real love for reading, and I still read a bunch today. I want you to try this too. So here are the rules. They're very similar to when we do our reading stamina in class. No pretend reading. I want you to post in Teams a picture of you reading your book, or you can text it to me, Miss Gagney. Then I want you to write me a brief summary of what you have read that day with page numbers and submit it in the assignments tab. If you're unsure how to start your summary, take it simple. Start with somebody wanted, but so then. I know we've practiced this a couple times in class, but if you need any reminders, I am here to answer any questions that you have. But somebody wanted, but so then is a framework to start with if you don't know what to do in your summary. So, reading options. You can read a book from Open Library from the list, or I have a list here of titles that you can click this link and you'll find the titles here, but these come with quizzes, and you'll need to find these titles on openlibrary.com, or I'm sorry, .org, and Miss Gagney can help you locate these if need be. Or you can choose to read from Epic Books. Our class code is posted on the checklist. If you have any books at home, those work too. And you can read from Among the Hidden or listen to it on YouTube. If you're wondering about what kind of pictures should I post, well, here's some examples. Here is Miss Gagney reading a great book at her house. And then Miss Gagney made Mr. Gagney or Gerald take a picture too. And here is his reading a book in the living room. All right, so guys, you're probably wondering, okay, how is this a contest? What does the winner get? Well, the winner of this challenge will read the most pages with an accurate summary and at least one picture submitted. If for some reason you can't take a picture, just let me know. But I would like everybody to select a book and include page numbers and a short summary each day. And the winner will receive a book of their choice that will be mailed directly to their home from me, Miss Gagney. It can be any book that you want, any book that you've heard about and you have been wanting to read. I will send it your way. So good luck, and I hope to see everybody participating in the challenge.